Hello and welcome to today's instructional video. In this video, we will be learning how to reduce the rational expression x squared plus 11x plus 24 divided by x plus 8 to its lowest terms. This process involves simplifying the expression as much as possible by factoring out common factors. So let's get started. First, identify the given rational expression, x squared plus 11x plus 24 divided by x plus 8. To simplify this expression, you need to factor the numerator. The numerator is x squared plus 11x plus 24. Factoring means finding two binomials that multiply together to give you the original quadratic expression. Start by setting up two sets of terms in the form of x plus a number times x plus another number. We need two numbers that both add up to 11, which is the coefficient of the x term, and multiply together to give 24, the constant term. Let's consider pairs of factors of 24. They are 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, and 4 and 6. Now, we need to find out which one of these pairs adds up to 11. The pair that works is 3 and 8, because 3 plus 8 equals 11, and 3 times 8 equals 24. So, the numerator x squared plus 11x plus 24 can be written as x plus 3 times x plus 8. Now the original expression can be rewritten in its factored form as x plus 3 times x plus 8 divided by x plus 8. In this factoring step, the expression is altered from the quadratic form to the product of two binomials. The reasoning behind this step is to break down the quadratic expression into simpler parts, which will make it easier to simplify the entire rational expression. Next, notice that in the expression x plus 3 times x plus 8 divided by x plus 8, there is a common term in both the numerator and the denominator. This common term is x plus 8, because both the numerator and the denominator share this common factor. We can cancel it out. Canceling is a method where matching factors in the numerator and denominator are divided out of the expression, simplifying it further. So, we cancel x plus 8 from both the top and the bottom of the expression. We are left with just x plus 3. Therefore, the rational expression x squared plus 11x plus 24 divided by x plus 8 simplifies to x plus 3. This is the final step. The expression is now in its simplest form.